We are going to cook brown rice. This is what we're going to do. We're going to put water, hot water in here, so that way I don't have to wait for the water to get hot. You know, it doesn't really matter how much water you put in the pot. The more water you add, it will be better. See, you see the water starting to get hot, and we're gonna cook here. We're gonna put here the 1 cup only. You can put 2 cups if you want. Now all we have to do is let the rice boil for like 25 minutes. Do not add salt. Do not add vegetable right now. We're gonna do that later on, okay? Our brown rice is boiling. Do not put a lid. Just let it be right there for like 25 minutes. That's all you have to do. You know, you don't have to measure the amount of water. The more water you have in there, the better. It is time to check. 25 minutes have gone by. Okay. You can see that the rice is soft. And I'm gonna add some salt. If you don't want to add salt, that's fine. You can omit it. That's fine. And we're gonna also add some vegetables. As you can see, I'm gonna add some green peas, carrots, and green beans. That way we can add more fiber to the rice. These are frozen vegetables that I buy in the supermarket. Now let's see here. We got some good brown rice. It takes a little bit of time, but it's worth the effort. This is what we're going to do right now. See, I got a pot, it's empty. I got a strainer or a colander. And then we got all the rice right here with the vegetables. Just put everything in there like that. And at that moment, make sure you put a lid and let it rest there for 10 minutes, okay? You see there's some hot water on the bottom right here, and that's still gonna have the rice cook for 10 more minutes, and it's gonna be so perfect. Do not open it, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check later, okay? Okay, so 10 minutes have gone by, and now it is time to check the rice. This rice is cooked perfect. Take a look. Brown rice with vegetables. And you know what? We don't need this. We just need to throw it away. But this is the best way to make brown rice at home. It is soft, delicious. Wow, what can I tell you? So now, you don't have to look anymore for other recipe for how to cook brown rice at home when you can do it this way. I like brown rice. You know, you can eat this with beans, steak, anything you want. And it's a good idea to add vegetables. There we have it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be uploading more videos, and give it a like, and make sure you share it too. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.